How to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram as you can see. So let's start fix this. First go back to home screen, then open Play Store and update Instagram if need. Then open this. Tap on profile icon. Here you can see tap. Then tap on three line. Then creator tools and controls. Open this. Then switch account type. Open this. Switch to personal account. Select this. Okay. Wait for few seconds. So then go back. So tap on three line. Here you can see account privacy in settings. Open this. Now private account. Switch this. As you can see account private successfully. Thanks for watching.